This is not where I wanted to be today. The whole Supra dash is apart because my AFR gauge stopped reading correctly. And on this car, if I can't trust the AFR, I can't really tune. And this gauge is the only thing telling me if this 800 horsepower 2JZ is happy or is about to melt another piston. After what happened to this engine before, I'm not very willing to play with the AFR. So currently, the fuel system is upgraded. Car starts fine. There are no leaks in the fuel. The fuel pressure looks good. And now, that gauge decided to act up. The gauge I had was not giving me a proper reading. And maybe it's the gauge, maybe it's the wiring. So, I got a new AM, a better version than the one I had here. I'm not happy, but I'd rather buy a new gauge than new pistons and have all the work to build this whole new engine again and put in the car and have all this work. Now, of course, nothing on this car is easy to get on the small garage. Now the whole inside of the Supra looks like I'm building a car from scratch. At this point, I'm not fixing a gauge anymore. I'm performing an open heart surgery on a 30-year-old car. Don't you just hate when the companies do this to get the manual? Just put in here, pink, green is something, blue is something. I just want to see very quickly and put in there. Now I gotta go to a website, look in there. Jesus Christ. Out with the old. Whew. Alright, so we have the 3 wires soldered, well secured. Now, I don't think we need none of those, so I'm going to separate them and I'm going to connect the gauge. If that works, car's done. I want the gauge to power up, hit the sensor, read it properly, and send the information to my ECU. So I expect the value that's going to show up in here to be exactly the same out there. Alright, so 12.6, 12.5, oh that's perfect. Now let's start the car. And we're gonna go for a little ride. Car's driving very smooth. And look. Oh my god, I forgot about it. It is so fast. I don't know if it changed anything. I was not gonna do a pull, but it looks good here. So I'm doing a little bit. This is one of those boring fixes that can save your engine. Car starts, idles, drives fine until you push it. Not having an AFR gauge is just like driving blind. You don't know if your engine is running rich, is running lean. But now, everything is working fine. So next steps are going to be tuning. I'm going to start tuning the Supra again because it's going to run rich. I'm going to use help of AI just for fun. So stay tuned for the next videos. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, love. Bye. I'm sick. And later.